Hello viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Quick commerce is setting high goals and higher hirings this year. And temporary employees and contractor employees are growing. So let's get deeply into this discussion. Today we have CA HANMANDLOO garu with us. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
As I said, temporary and contract based works are growing. With this e-commerce also rising so much. How is this development going and growing the economy?
See, now quick commerce market or e-commerce market are the most famous or most popular
Yes.
to deliver the goods to the consumers early.
Yes.
Is the most important thing. So for this purpose, earlier consumer used to go to shop and buy the product. Now this is reverse.
Yes.
Based on the e-commerce platform or quick commerce platform, the consumer will decide the product and pay the price. It is a duty of the quick commerce companies or e-commerce platforms to deliver the goods from the stores or the godowns to the from the sellers to the customers as early as possible.
Yes.
So this is the object of the quick commerce or e-commerce platforms. So because of this new area of operations or new scope for employment, new scope for new way of business, there is a lot of demand for temporary and contractual workers who can collect the goods from the seller
and
deliver to the consumer.
Yes.
So in this way, e-commerce, quick commerce also flourishing in this market. So quick commerce is giving opportunity to contractual workers as well as temporary workers, but they are not on the regular roles of the companies.
Yes.
Because quick commerce companies are generally acting as agent only, but not as we can say it is not even delivery agent. It is only acting as a platform to display the products and for the consumers to select the product. Only this much.
Yes.
So quick commerce companies are not going to take the responsibility of following employer relationship with the workers who are delivering the goods from sellers to consumers. So this is the way why they doesn't want means that quick commerce companies they are not concerned about you see Uber, it doesn't have any vehicle.
Yeah.
But it's only platform. In the same way, e-commerce platforms also like that. E-commerce companies also, pharma companies also like that. And now quick commerce is spreading not only to tier 1 cities, means metro cities, also tier 2, tier 3 also it is reaching.
Yes.
Means every product that can be delivered from the seller to the consumer with the help of quick commerce. So this is making a lot of opportunity to engage contractual workers. At present, nearly there are 260,000 delivery workforce is there in the quick commerce companies. And also the quick commerce companies are expecting to engage at least another 150,000 contractual workers in this year itself. So there are so many companies which are acting as quick commerce companies, and that is giving opportunity to workers. And the thing is, many retail stores or distributors or stockists, they are also registering with quick commerce companies as sellers, and the purchasers will book the orders through platform, and the stores are acting as steering a delivery spots for the products as demanded as purchased by the customers. So this requires quick commerce companies to hire more technology, merchandising means handling, and last mile logistics also. Means technology which engages the merchandising, packing, delivery. Means until last mile it reaches the consumer. So all this has to be done by the quick commerce companies. And during this period, many quick commerce companies are added hundreds of dark stores, delivery stores. They are called dark stores, something like that, but delivery stores are adding every year. This employment opportunities, why it is only contractual, why not permanent? Because the company, the quick commerce companies are the only platform. They are not taking the ownership of the goods. They are not taking the purchase orders from the consumers. These companies, quick commerce companies, are not willing to take the people on employment basis. So this requires temporary workers only. For this purpose, the companies are hiring the delivery fleets, either be permanent or short mid-term. May not be permanent, temporary or for short mid-term only. So nearly nearly many of the quick commerce companies, there are 5 to 10 quick commerce companies are successfully operating quick commerce companies are there. They are having the support of at least to each 5 to 5,000 stores where they can deliver, where they can collect the goods and pack it and deliver to the consumers. So this became the delivery of goods from seller to purchaser became an opportunity for employment, new employment opportunity, maybe for short term or maybe for temporary, but this is an opportunity. You see, in future also there will be opportunities. Opportunities will be. We cannot expect that there are permanent employment opportunities. Now we have to see the opportunities. We have to change from sector to sector, opportunity to opportunity. See, time to time. This should be there. The worker should be ready and capable to take up assignments with perfection.
Yes.
This is most important. We cannot expect that the employers will employ them permanently and give them look after their repayment and what will say retirement benefits and all these things. This is not possible in present generation. So every employee should be capable enough to undertake the work what assigned and do it perfectly, and performance should be very perfect on time. So in this quick commerce company, the what we'll call pressure to this delivery staff is the timing. When they collect the goods from the stores, and also the timing to be reached and handed over to the customer. So the time gap will be sometimes maybe less, sometimes maybe not be practicable. So that will cause some pressure on the delivery staff. So this is, of course, there may be a change in future, but at present this is a situation quick commerce companies are holding temporary staff to deliver the not holding, we can say giving opportunity to people, to unemployed or maybe youth employed or any who are ready to take up the work, any assignment to deliver the goods from seller to the consumer. So this is the opportunity for at least for this employment problem can be solved at least for temporary or for short term period. And one more thing is what is happening is the stores. These stores are also have to maintain the details of goods what they are having, and sometimes there may be a confusion for the delivery staff also to reach the consumer as early as possible. But of course, because of lot of improvement in technology, the future opportunities will be in manufacturing sector, infrastructure, we can say infrastructure, manufacturing infrastructure, service sector, storage and delivery. These are the sectors that will be more employment opportunities, which depends upon the performance base. The most important thing. We cannot say that because they are not employees of the quick commerce company, their performance will not be measured. But every quick commerce company will maintain the details of the people hired and the quality of service, so that they can the person can have employment opportunity, better opportunities when you go for other employment opportunities. this is the future for this is the future opportunities for temporary contract workers
In quick commerce.
in quick commerce companies.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.